Support us by subscribing, ring the notification bell, press all, and thumbs up.
My name is Tab Farrar. I'm a welding leaderman over the turbine engine section. Resistance welding is a compressed type of welding specifically designed to do turbine engine, the recuperator itself. It's the only type welding that would be suitable for this operation. This is another type of welding that we do here in the turbine engine section. This is referred to as the lens, which stands for laser engineered net shaping, to overhaul parts through this process here that cannot be done by any other process that we have here on the depot. Gas tungsten welding is actually a shielded gas with 100% pure argon. Another process that we have to use in here in order to weld our recuperators to our forward headers, done by this process here.
One of the types of welding we do here at Anniston Army Depot is our soldering process. Most folks may not think of soldering as a welding process, but with the heat and the solder going together, we repair circuit cards here at Anniston Army Depot. We perform mods to various types of instruments that goes in the M1 Abrams, as well as the Striker and Paladin vehicles.
We're here today to showcase gas melter arc welding. Gas melter arc welding is a clean form of welding which uses inert gas to shield bare wire. It's part of our mission is support the troops. So as long as we get the troops on that mission and the mission complete, then our job is fine, and I'm content with what I do.
I went through the certification when I came through high school. I took it as a trade. Every day when I leave here, I got family members that's in the service, and I know that every tank we put out there saved a life.
Flux core welding is a shielded gas. We use 75-25 mixture gas to weld with it. I use flux core to weld on tie-down eyes on M1s, and pretty much every vehicle has a tie-down eye, but we weld them on with flux core so they can be towed on railroad cars, tied down on railroad cars and trucks, things like that. I've been here 16 years. I enjoy working here at Anniston Army Depot because of the different things that you get to weld. A lot of it's critical welding, and I take honor in doing good work and quality work for the warfighter because they're the most important reason why I'm here.
This is an electron beam welder. It's in a direct fusion welding machine. It uses a vacuum to pull all the atmosphere and air out of the chamber so you get pretty much the strongest welding possible without the atmosphere. It is clean, it is free from dirt, oil, or any other contaminants that could contaminate the metal. As far as what this is used for with the depot, there is plenty of parts that is used on the, I guess, the Tiger engine that have to be precisionally welded, so they have to be done in this chamber. It's brought down on basically a microscopic scale. Everything's keyed in through a microscope because it has to be so precise. What gets me up and motivates me to come to work every day is to know that I am doing something to actually help save someone's life. I know the vehicles that we produce do go to foreign countries to help protect our soldiers. I take great pride in my work. I am meticulous with it. I make sure when each part leaves my building that it is right. It's a pride thing to make sure that I put out quality parts for our warfighters. I mean, I have family that's in the military, and I know they have been in these vehicles, so what I can directly touch can effectively save their life. If they're in a firefight, they need these vehicles to work,